Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from Creative Team. So in this short video, I want to say a few words about the latest updates of Argon Dashboard Django, the premium version, and also I want to demonstrate how easily it is to deploy the product live using Render as deployment platform. So the product now is shipped using another codebase pattern where the sources are saved directly on GitHub as a public repository. But in order to use the product being a premium one, the UI comes from an external library, which is provided by this private package. In order to have a successful installation, we need to export in the environment this GitHub token, which is shipped by us during the purchase. And once you have the GitHub token, the product becomes fully usable. Okay, let's deploy the product. All the changes are listed here on the README. There are instructions for manual build, for starting with Docker, and also we can deploy the product live on Render without much effort. And this we are going to do in the next few minutes. Okay, for newcomers, Render is a Heroku-like deployment platform, but in my opinion, it's superior. It has superior UI. It's beginner friendly, and also they provide a decent, super decent pricing. So might be a good solution for your next project in order to ship the product live without low level server configuration, other things. Okay, let's copy the repository, go here to the new blueprint instance. We need to create a new blueprint, click on continue. Now the render analyzes the code base, and uh, the code base is basically enhanced with two files that helps render to understand the structure of the project. And this YAML basically describes all the things that the render needs to know before the deployment, the type of the project, the build command that basically executes a minimal setup, and the entry point of our Django application. Okay, at this point, render uh, knows how to deploy the project, but we didn't export in the environment the GitHub token, and basically the first attempt of the first deployment attempt should fail. If we go here and watch the compilation events, we should see here an error because, as I said before, the GitHub token required to have a successful installation and usage of the product is not provided in the environment. So as I said before, we have this error because the private repository is not accessible. Let's go to the environment here and export the GitHub token. Once we save the changes, render detects the environment change and just trigger a new compilation, new build. And this time the compilation should be successful. In less than 1 or 2 minutes the product should be up and running in the browser. Another thing is that doing this minimal setup, basically the live deployment is linked to to our repository, and once we have we push a new update here, the live deployment is also updated. So this continuous integration, continuous deployment flow is shipped by default with the product, and should be super easy for us to code new projects, and without worrying about deployment issues like caching or SSL certificates for our domain and other low-level things. So render platform helps us with all those issues, and we can focus on product features. Okay, now the deployment is flagged as being successful. Let's access the application in the browser, and here we go. We are live on render, and we can uh, authenticate, create new users, and use the UI. Let me create another user. Okay, the user was created. Let's authenticate, and we can see that the UI looks different, and we can log in, log out, and access the interface. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from creative team. Let us know what you think about the product. Let us think what new models should be added to this starter, and in all cases we will try to help. Thanks again for watching. See you all on the next video. Bye.